Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Thanks for making us a part of your daily routine. It is going to be a hot one out there today. We're going to swelter. Our daily records are going to be smashed today across the Northeast, and all-time records are within reach. 104 is the record to beat in Boston. That was set back in 1911 in terms of the hottest temperature we have ever been. We do think we push over the century mark in spots. The last time we were at or over 100 was back in 2022, July 24th. So it's certainly been a while since we've been this hot. Heat and humidity will also fuel some hit or miss thunderstorms today, primarily in northern New England. So keep an eye on the sky. We'll take a look at that in a second. Of course, it's the heat combined with the humidity that puts the stress on the body. The predicted heat index today is going over 100. Doesn't matter whether you're in far northern New England or the southwest corner. Okay, there's a little bit of relief. It's all relative, of course, right? But it's still going to push over 90 in portions of the upper Cape. Outer Cape feeling more like the 80s. Same along the mid-coast or down East Maine, but many of us pushing in that 105 to 110 category. So the heat risk today is major to extreme across much of the 6-state region. That does mean little things do make a big difference, right? Stay hydrated. Thinking about kiddos at camp too. Pack a lot of the ice cold face cloths, extra water bottles. Electrolytes can help. SPF, put it on, lather up and reapply. Clothing, lightweight and light colored clothing does make a difference. If you do have to be outside, take regular breaks in the shade. Check on those who need it, of course. Being in the shade does make a significant difference. Now, there will be a lot of sunshine out there today too. A few low clouds on Cape Cod will depart. Notice by the time we get to early to mid-afternoon, we'll have some building clouds in far northern New England. Crown of Maine, back into northern Vermont, couple thunderstorms start to pop. Few of these could be on the stronger side with this much heat and humidity in place. So somewhere like the Champlain Valley, stretching into far northern New Hampshire, northern and even the coastline of Maine by the time we get to the evening. Keep an eye out for a couple of these. Heavy downpours, lightning, brief gusty wind possible. The rest of the region is just baking today. No real risk of a thunderstorm. And then a few scattered clouds through the overnight tonight. You can track it all, of course, with our app. Any thunderstorms that do pop up, particularly in northern New England, make sure you have alerts turned on. And if any warnings are issued, you'll see it. No, this is not the heat index. I showed you that before. These are actual forecast highs today. So 102 would crush the all-time June record for Boston. Again, 104 is that number to beat for the all-time record. Many spots going over 100. Still up around 90 on Cape Cod too, 95 to 100 degrees stretching through the Lakes region, northern New England too. Far North Country may see highs near 90 degrees, but then you factor in the humidity and we're approaching 100 degrees. A few thunderstorms again, a couple of them could be on the stronger side across northern Aroostook County and then stretching back down along the main turnpike this afternoon. Overnight tonight, not much relief either. Temperature's going to be running in the 70s. The humidity still in place, so not much relief or ways to cool down through the overnight tonight either. Get more as a member on Patreon. We've got the 14-day dew point forecast. You heard Matt talk about it. Of course, a lot of you want to know about the humidity, right? That's for every membership level. Check it out, membership.onedegreeoutside.com. We'll be putting out and dropping a new podcast later on this week. You can shop our merchandise to stay cool too. T-shirts, hats. We have gift cards on there too at swag.onedegreeoutside.com. Stay cool. We'll bring you any updates as necessary later on today. We'll see you with an updated insights in just a bit.